Hi everyone, we're going to talk a little bit about your theory application assignment. And this is really cool that you will be able to go into what's in the course materials and look at the different theories and choose a theory that would apply to your area of practice. So really make sure that the theory is congruent with what you are doing in your practice and is meaningful to you, because what we're going to be doing is actually building your expertise in looking at theory, number one, and also applying theory in this assignment. So we're going to meet those competencies which are critical for master's prepared nurses. So what you're going to do is you're going to introduce your theory. You're going to provide a brief history of the theorist, and then you're going to explain and delineate the different components of the theory. And you're going to be very clear. The purpose is to share what you've learned with your class. So please be very clear in delineating what the theory entails so that others can understand about the theory as well. You will also take into consideration how this theory could be applied and use a scenario to actually demonstrate the theory and explain it in a very logical manner. So use your experience to be able to take the theory and break it down into components that are real life and how the theory applies to practice. Your presentation itself can be done in a number of different ways. You can do a PowerPoint, you can do I do suggest either a voiceover PowerPoint or a video with the PowerPoint. You can do Prezis, you can do whatever method of presentation that you would like. Again, this is a skill that is very crucial for master's prepared nurses to be eloquent in how they speak about or present different topics. In addition, with that being said, we are going to focus on making sure that your presentation is done in a very professional tone, your word choice is professional, and the presentation itself is reflective of graduate level work. And just know that this is something that we will be building on as you progress through the program. So this is a foundation in looking at theory and developing those crucial presentation skills. So let me know if you have any questions about this assignment, but just remember that there are links in the course materials section that you can access the different theories and use those materials as you are constructing your presentation. Thank you so much and take care.